Good morning, ma'am. Excuse me po.
Okay, Ms. Gonzalez, tell me something about yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I am Bea Gonzalez from Sumbiray, Malay, Aklan, and I graduated at Malay College, and I took Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. I am motivated and responsible individual with a strong interest and professional growth. Also, I am able to balance my work effectively and ensure that tasks are completed and submitted before deadlines. I am eager to apply my skills, learn from new experiences, and contribute positively to the company.
So, why did you choose this company?
So I choose your company because it has a strong reputation for professionalism and quality service. I appreciate how the company values employees' growth and continuous improvement. I also believe that my skills, positive work attitude, and willingness to learn align well with your goals. This opportunity also will allow me to gain valuable experience while contributing meaningfully to the company.
How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In 5 years, ma'am, I see myself as more confident and skilled professional who has gained valuable experience in the industry. I hope to grow within the company, take on greater responsibilities, and continuously improve my skills. I also see myself contributing more to the team and helping the company achieve its goal.
Thank you, Ms. Gonzalez. We'll call you for the results.